I welcome all of you on platform of Your PD Education, and let me tell you today something about NITI Bombay. You know, NITI Bombay is very prestigious institute in which admission for various courses is through CAT as well as GATE. There are certain courses and these courses and the jobs offered in these courses is at par with IIMs. So it is a very prestigious institute. If I talk about GATE, then GATE mein there used to be three courses: PGDIE Industrial Engineering, Postgrad Diploma in Industrial Engineering, which is their flagship program. And roughly in PGDIE there used to be some 144 seats in IE, followed by PM and MM, in which there used to be 40 seats each, if I'm not wrong. That is what used to be there till last year. Now this year admission, and when I could talk to some of the students there, so this year they have not advertised these seats. So these seats are not there. All these were through GATE. I'm not talking about CAT here, only through GATE. And IE is the flagship. मतलब main course जो है उनका वो IE है. The jobs offered and everything is very good in IE. Postgraduate Diploma in Industrial Engineering. Now, why this is removed? So one of the answers given by one student over there, he said that sir, jobs offered especially in COVID time in PMMM were not that good. So they must have decided, professors and all, that why to pull these courses, and let's only pull the course IE, which is very much demanded by industries, because NITI Bombay is very much conscious about obviously the placements of the students. बाकी सब जगह प्लेसमेंट्स में प्रॉब्लम चल रहा है, लेकिन नेटिव में प्लेसमेंट बहुत जबरदस्त हो रहा है इस साल भी. इवन ड्यू टू डिस्पाइट ऑफ कोविड ऑल्सो प्लेसमेंट इज वेरी गुड. So is that a good news or bad news? It is a good news because as per my information, this number of seats is going to be increased to 200. That means IE में seats are going to be increased, and every student wanted IE in the beginning also and earlier also. The student who is getting PMMM, they used to ask, sir, placement अच्छा है कि नहीं है? So now that trouble is over. So only course through GATE is IE. And another good thing I will share with you here is there is another course which earlier was taking only through CAT, and that was ISCM, Industrial Safety and Environment Management. That earlier was through CAT only. I think 15 seats will be taken through GATE and 15 will be taken through CAT in this particular course, and इसका नाम भी शायद Sustainability Engineering वो change कर रहे हैं. So the name will also be changed, and there's a talk के Industrial Engineering IE का नाम भी change करें, so that name can also be changed. So roughly for GATE sir, now there will be 200 IE seats जो main उनकी most demanded seats हैं, plus 15 seats जो CAT वाले के through आएगा, 15 seats GATE के through आएगा in Sustainability Engineering, something like that. So seats have increased. Now how many students can think of getting called for basically GD and interview? यू नो दैट निटी बॉम्बे का सबसे पहले स्टार्टिंग होता है जीडी इंटरव्यूज का, और सबसे पहले सेशन भी स्टार्ट होता है मार्च में. आपका स्टार्ट हो जाएगा मार्च में, जीडी इंटरव्यूज वगैरह स्टार्ट हो जाता है, और सेशन भी बहुत जल्दी इनका स्टार्ट हो जाता है. And then after some months of initial classes, internship also starts. So NITI program is very fast program. Now last year some 1400 students were called for different courses through GATE. 1400 students, 1:4 की ratio होती है, तो some 1400 students were called as per my understanding for these three courses. एंड जनरल कैटेगरी का गेट स्कोर 750 प्लस पे ही कॉल आया था. इफ आई टॉक अबाउट द जनरल कैटेगरी, देन इट वाज 750 प्लस पे ही कॉल आया था गेट स्कोर पे, डिस्पाइट ऑफ द ब्रांच. एंड ये भी होता था कि अलग अलग ब्रांचेस में कौन एलिजिबल है, बट आईई के लिए मेजॉरिटी ब्रांचेस ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग वर एलिजिबल. So if you are going to get 750 plus gate score, then you may get call for IE this year also, depending upon the paper and all. So those of you who will score more than 750 and apply for and another problem used to be there will be three courses and students used to apply in three courses, and application fees was more. If I'm not wrong, it was more than 1000 rupees. तो आपको तीन जगह अप्लाई करना पड़ता था. Now only one place you have to apply IE, so your money will be saved in applying, that is a form की जो money है वो भी save हो जाएगा, and you can apply in that particular thing. So I'm going to make another video after your GATE exam that किस score plus पे आपको इसमें apply करना है. Opportunity अच्छी है, 1:4 की ratio में फिर भी बुलाएंगे ये लोग, तो 1000 students को I think call will be there. Many students do not show interest because they are more interested in PSU or something. So जिसका भी 750 plus score आएगा गेट में, अगर वो interested है इसमें NITI बॉम्बे के लिए, तो he should apply. So let me summarize now. What are the updates? Sir, IE number of seats we are going to increase from 144 to 200 plus or something like that. ये दो कोर्स खत्म कर दिए गए हैं, इन्हीं को नंबर सीट्स आईई में बढ़ गया, दैट इज अ गुड न्यूज फॉर अस. एंड एक और कोर्स गेट के थ्रू इंट्रोड्यूस हो सकता है, दैट इज सस्टेनेबिलिटी इंजीनियरिंग. एंड आपको अब 3 फॉर्म नहीं डालने, आपको अब एक फॉर्म आईई के लिए, और अगर सस्टेनेबिलिटी इंजीनियरिंग में डालना है तो एक फॉर्म आप वहां पे डालोगे. सो दैट इज द अपडेटेड थिंग फॉर अस. जिसका भी 750 प्लस स्कोर आएगा, we'll think of it for NITI Bombay. So that is the recent update which I wanted to share with you. I will keep on coming after your GATE exam also, and we will push hard for NITI. NITI is one of the best institute which you can think of getting with the GATE score. Even some people leave their PSU jobs for NITI. So this is really good. You keep yourself updated for this and prepare for GDs and interviews, and you will end up there. Fine. All the best.